If you want to turn your 3D printing hobby into a profitable business or side hustle, then you are at the right place. I did exactly that 1.5 years ago, and in 2023 we made over 100,000 in sales. In this channel I will be sharing my journey and my secrets, what I learned on the way with you. In this video I will give you an introduction to myself, the purpose of this channel, and the topics I will cover to support you make a profit using 3D printing. I'm an engineer who fell in love with 3D printing a couple of years ago. My first printer was this guy, the Ender 3 Pro. During the pandemic, everybody was locked down and I was sitting at home like most of you guys. Being addicted to coffee, I got myself a grinder and a machine and started making espressos at home. However, I was not completely happy with the performance of the grinder, so I started designing modifications. The first one was a grind indicator for the DF64. I printed it and I thought to myself, I cannot be the only one having this issue. So I created a listing on Etsy. Fast forward to now, with more than 30 listings, I sold more than 6,000 parts. Why did I start this YouTube channel? There are two main reasons. The main reason is that I believe in local production instead of mass production overseas. That's why I want to support you creating your own 3D printing business by talking about my failures, my challenges, and how I overcame them. The second reason is documentation and accountability. As I continue the path of creating this 3D printing business, I want to document the experiences and failures on the way. This way, we can help like-minded people to avoid mistakes in the start and to help them grow their business faster and more efficient. Speaking about sharing experiences, we arrive at the next point. What kind of topics can you expect from this YouTube channel? Here are some examples. What is the best printer to start your 3D printing business? Or how can you get the best product pictures for your Etsy shop? Or the most importantly, how do you get your first sales on your Etsy shop? If you want to create your own 3D printing business or increase the profitability of your existing business, then subscribe to our channel to get insights into our journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.